it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my unboxing of my Mickey monthly subscription box for the month of March. But this video I'm going to be doing a little bit differently than the ones I've done in the past because I've had a few people ask me they wanted to watch me actually unbox it, like with a view of the box instead of just me pulling things out. So I thought I would try it that way to see if you guys like that better. This month I received the Theme Park Edition Mickey Size Snack Box Edition. Now, even though this is the March box, this will actually not go up until April, and we're going on our trip to Disney in May, so some of these things may end up making the trip with us. But basically, if you don't know what Mickey Monthly is, it is a monthly subscription box to all things Disney Magic. You can customize the size of box you get, the gender preference you have, if you have a preference, and if you have an age preference. And there's some budget options in there too with all different price ranges. Based on your customization preferences, they will send you a box every single month of mystery goodies that fit those criteria. So I really think it's a fun way to keep Disney Magic in your everyday life because you don't know what you're going to get, so it's already a surprise and it's exciting. Plus, it comes straight from the Disney theme park, so that makes it even more magical to get that little dose of Disney every single month. So I will have a coupon code for you guys linked in the description box where you can use on your first month's box, whichever subscription you end up getting. You'll get that discount on your first month's box. Let's see what came in my Mickey monthly subscription box for the month of March. Like I said, it was the snack box, so everything is going to be some kind of a Disney snack or treat. So that's exciting. We have all the little crinkle paper wrapping with the little confetti. This time it's two colors. We've got pink and teal Mickey confetti. That's exciting. I love this stuff, and I keep it for like putting in greeting cards and stuff, so that's exciting. And I see something Star Wars, which I know my oldest will be excited about. Oh, it's not Star Wars. This is really neat. We have been wanting some of this astronaut ice cream to use with the girls for like our space unit. I remember doing that when I was in school, and that is really neat. Obviously, it's not the healthiest thing in the world, but that's really neat. This is the vanilla ice cream sandwich, astronaut ice cream, freeze-dried, ready-to-eat space food. That is super exciting. So that's going to go in our homeschool room, and we're going to save that for when we talk about living in space. So that's exciting. Who knew I'd get something educational in my Mickey monthly box? The next thing, this is Star Wars Chewy Candy Blue Raspberry Gummies. That is neat. I have a friend actually who would love those. So that is exciting. I see Goofy. We've gotten Goofy quite a few times, but I don't think we ever got the licorice. These are Mickey-shaped licorice candies, family size. If you can see, they're red little Mickey heads. That is really neat. My dad loves licorice, so I'll probably give him some of these because I certainly do not need all this candy, but I like to share it with people. And what is this? It's a little Donald tin peppermint. That is cute. Look how cute that is. It's actually a metal tin with little mints in it. That would actually be good for my purse, and then when it runs out of mints, I can put other stuff in there. That's really neat. I like that. I see chocolate. Another Mickey-shaped Rice Krispie treat with the M&Ms on top and chocolate. That looks so good. My husband likes Rice Krispie treats, so that is in there. Uh-oh, I see something cute. Oh, that's cute. Minnie's Sweets Chocolate and Vanilla Character Cookies. My girls love these. We've never gotten a box this big. I didn't know they had boxes this big, so that's really neat. And that looks like everything that came in the box this month. And I also, kind of a side note, I do save the confetti, and I also save these boxes. They're really nice boxes. I like how they have the flap that lifts up. And I usually end up saving them for my girls because we do something called like a memory box whenever they get like special trinkets or ticket stubs or concert stubs for something like fun they did or things like that. We like to keep it in their closet, and they can put kind of like little mementos in them. And just kind of a side note, these boxes are perfect for that because they're sturdy and they're pretty big, and so I always save these boxes and the confetti. So that is everything that came in my Mickey monthly box for the month of March. Like I said, it was the Mickey Size Theme Park Edition snack box. So obviously all of these snacks that came from the Disney parks that we're going to be able to enjoy and share with our friends and our family. And so that is everything that came in the box. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. And if you are interested, I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. So definitely check out those links if you're interested in those. And I will see you guys in the next video.